how to use boosters in Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily use the booster. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm already inside the game. Now, how can you use the booster? So basically, there are different boosters that will pop up in your screen. So you can easily use this booster to kill the fishes and earn different points in the game. So as you can see, you can just target on them and later it will give you the ability to use the booster and easily kill different type of fishes and even different sharks. So here, as you can see, I have used this blasting power and I'm being able to boost and kill a lot of fishes at once. So this will help you to accumulate different points and even win in the multiplayer game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.